cervical, mid back and lower back area.
I heard that.
Then feel the pressure on the pelvis. Turn to your side, facing the door, please.
Oh, nice.
Lie on your back.
Leave it free. Hold the neck out.
Adjust it well. Come on up for me. Alright, sir. How you feeling? Okay. Different?
Yeah,
What's different?
a bit loose, like. Yeah, yesterday I got a slight headache, but it didn't happen today. I immediately got one yesterday after the neck thing, but not today. I didn't get the headache.
You'll be fine. Turn to the side, facing the window. Good. That's the one. Lie on your back. It's a long time for these, haven't you? Perfect. It's coming up for you. So straight for me. Ooh. How's your body doing?
I feel like going to sleep. So free right now.
More free compared to
yeah.
before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The last one you did was nice, really nice.
Step by step,
Yeah.
your body will come.